What is up, guys? My name is Deborah, and today I'll be teaching you about Executium. Executium is a trading system that automatically generates income through different exchanges. They have around 20 exchanges, I think. I'll just show you, and you can see different exchanges that they have. So I'm gonna be using Binance. So I'm gonna be taking a Binance API key and connecting it through Executium and also registering and basically showing you how you can create an account and how easy it is to start getting income. So you can go ahead and open up executium.com and press sign up and then create an account. And after that, you'll go ahead and put your first and last name, your email address, and your password by your choice. And basically pressing create account. In this case, I'm not going to create an account. As you saw, I already have an account, so I don't need a new one. After making an account on Executium, you can go ahead and open up your dashboard. After that, scroll down and look for this, your trading fee, VIP level 1. So for me, I'm VIP level 1. I think that's the standard one. And basically enable using BNB to pay for fees at 25% discount. So now the fees will be only 1%, which is not a lot. But as you can see here, I don't have that much invested, only have $200 and I've made $90 through Executium, and I'll show you now how you can connect your API key to Executium. Alright, basically what you're gonna do is go to your profile icon here in the top right and just press API management and it will take you to this web page. Go ahead, put a name for your API key. So for example, you can name it Executium. But in this case, as you can see here, I already have an API key called Executium and my only API key. So I'm not going to be making a new API key, which is not needed for me. So I'm just going to press on edit restrictions and you'll have to enable spot margin trading. And as you can see here, we have an API key. So we gotta copy the API key and copy the secret key that will be given to us. And after that, you can go ahead and open up Executium, go to API keys manager and put your API key and your secret key. Select your exchange, in my case, obviously Binance, and put a name. So for example, I can name it New Executium 2, but obviously I already have this key. So as you can see here, I have New Executium, which is my main thing, and then a testnet. So after you've connected your API key, you can go ahead and open up your books. So I have the max limit for books because I have the free subscription. You can go ahead and name a book, for example, Bitcoin book. So with books, it helps you manage your transactions, your tradings, bids. So for example, you have a book for Bitcoin and then a book for Ethereum and then a third book for, I don't know, Dogecoin, for example. But I don't know who buys that. So as you can see here, these are all small videos published from Executium. So for example, if you open it up,
using the book system, keep competition orders separate from your personal orders. Separate books by pairs traded to measure the profitability and growth of that pair. Books can be closed at any time once you are satisfied with your P&L.
okay, that explanation was a bit better than mine, but there are small videos around every tab here, and basically those are tips on how you can earn, how to use it, and it's pretty much helping you in every tab that you open it up. On my first Executium book, I have 2 bids created, so these are the short bids, so sell then buy, or buy then sell, depending on what you like to do. If you have Bitcoin, you can sell it and buy it, or if you don't have it, you're buying it and then selling it for a higher value. But in this case, I'm a bit in minus, but still it's open up, and when the price is right, it will buy it out automatically. So I'm not worrying about anything that I'm in loss. And then if we go in close positions, you can see how much I profited. So I don't bid that much because, as you saw, I only have $200 invested, so I'm really limited on money. So I'm doing just small transactions, slowly building up my, let's say, my wallet. Okay, so we're gonna be making bids on our test book, for this case. And as you can see here, I'll have closed positions here, and all of them were profit. Okay, we can go ahead and press open positions. And as you can see here, no open positions. So now we'll make a bid, let's say a short bid. So usually the most, at least for me, that I'm making small bids, I always do 0.2 profit, and then I bid with 0.004, which is $18, and that's basically nothing. Uh, Maybe for you, but for me, it's getting me somewhere. So I'll make one short bid, and I'm gonna be making one long bid. So it tells you everything in both sections. I went a bit fast on the short, but it's basically the same. So I'm gonna be placing a long order. I'm calling them bids because it's a lot easier for me. So confirm, and basically when the ROI will be at 0.2, it will automatically stop and it will be in close here. So what's important in Executium? So it's called drive time. So drive time is a Bitcoin tracker. So as soon as Bitcoin drops down, it buys it, and then when it goes up, it sells it, depending on the bid that you're making. Or if you're selling, it waits so that it can go up, and then when it goes down, it buys it again. I'll show you a graph right now on the screen. So I think right now is the best time to be investing in Bitcoin because it's just going up, and I think it will go much up than what it is right now. So there are a lot other more features, but I really can't use them because I have the free subscription. So it says here 2 hours of drive time, but I've invested $100, so I have much more. I suggest you doing the same, but it's free to try just for 2 hours. You can see how you can earn 2 minutes, and as you can see, whatever you press, it basically open up say video on their channel, and it
Drive time
explains
is
itself.
the services you use. A certain amount of drive time will be credited to your account every month based on your subscription tier and can also be purchased separately. Your opened orders will not be affected when you run out of drive time. Your drive time will turn negative and will need to be topped up before you execute any new orders.
Oh yeah, that's very smart. So before going this video, my drive time was in red because from the orders that I have from before, I think so in the first executive book, so from these orders, it went into red, so it didn't stop. Even if you run out of drive time, it won't stop. It will still go. So when you make the profit, you'll just have to top it off with, for example, 34 cents for one day. So as you can see here, we've made a profit here because we only have one position and we had two, so one of them closed. I think it was this one. And as you can see here, uh, at what it bought and at what it sells. So it's not a lot for you if you have, for example, I don't know, 10 grand of Bitcoin, but for me, it really matters. Executum actually doesn't take any fees. How they earn is through drive time and their subscription. So all you have to worry about is your exchange. In my case, Binance, and I did enable the BNB fees, a 25% discount. So no worries about Executum, only about your exchange. And this is going to be the end of the video. I recommend you trying out Executum because as you can see, it's free and it basically gives alerts and bonuses I forgot to mention. So as you can see here, I have around 2.5 days free if I claim this, but I don't need them, so I'm not gonna be claiming them right now. As you can see, they offered me one day ago, so it really doesn't matter because I have. So it is possible to earn crypto, but with the right exchange system and a system that doesn't earn a lot. And I personally think Executum is not earning a lot because it's not taking any fees. And all the features that they have here, I can't really tell them about the other features, but I'm pretty sure if we open up their channel, yeah, so this is their channel, and I've watched like all of their videos, but I can't really tell them or show you. So you can go ahead and open up their short videos, and basically it explains all of the features that are available or on Executium. So it's a growing system, and the sooner you try it out, the faster you'll see that it actually works and that it's profitable. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.